Have you ever wondered why some online stores seem to have an endless supply of products, while others struggle to keep their shelves stocked? It's not just about luck. It's about the tools you choose. Today, we're diving into two popular options, Oberlo and Shopify. What's the difference and which one is right for your e-commerce business? Imagine you're starting an online store. You have a great idea, a passion, and a vision. But where do you start? One of the biggest decisions you'll face is choosing the right platform. Shopify and Oberlo are both popular choices, but they serve different purposes. Shopify, the foundation of your online store. Shopify is essentially the building block of your online store. It's a comprehensive e-commerce platform that provides everything you need to sell products online, from creating a beautiful website to managing orders and payments. Key features: custom website design, product catalog management, payment processing, shipping and fulfillment, marketing tools, customer support, benefits, easy to use even for beginners, highly customizable, secure and reliable, scalable to accommodate growth, large app ecosystem. Oberlo, your product sourcing solution. Oberlo, on the other hand, is primarily a product sourcing tool. It connects you to suppliers on AliExpress, allowing you to easily find and import products into your Shopify store. Key features: product search and filtering, supplier ratings and reviews, order fulfillment and tracking, pricing and profit margin calculations, dropshipping automation, benefits, wide range of products to choose from, simplified dropshipping process, cost-effective, time-saving, integrates seamlessly with Shopify. Understanding the difference. So, what's the key difference between Shopify and Oberlo? While Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform, Oberlo is a specialized tool designed to help you source and sell products. Think of it this way. Shopify is like a house, providing the foundation and structure, while Oberlo is like a furniture store, supplying the products to fill that space. When to use Shopify? If you're starting from scratch and need a comprehensive platform to build and manage your online store, Shopify is the way to go. It's perfect for those who want full control over their website's design, functionality, and customer experience. When to use Oberlo? If you already have a Shopify store and are looking for a way to easily source and sell products, Oberlo is a valuable tool. It's especially useful for those who want to start dropshipping or expand their product offerings without investing in inventory. Combining Shopify and Oberlo. Many online store owners use both Shopify and Oberlo to create a powerful e-commerce solution. Shopify provides the foundation, while Oberlo helps streamline the product sourcing and fulfillment process. This combination can be particularly effective for dropshippers and small businesses. Choosing the right platform for your business. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your specific needs and goals. Consider the following factors when making your decision. Your business model. Are you dropshipping, selling physical products, or offering digital services? Your budget. How much are you willing to invest in your online store? Your technical skills. Are you comfortable with website design and development? Your long-term goals. Where do you see your business going in the future? By carefully evaluating these factors, you can choose the platform that will best support your e-commerce journey. In conclusion, Shopify and Oberlo are both valuable tools for online store owners, but they serve different purposes. Shopify provides a comprehensive platform for building and managing your store, while Oberlo simplifies the product sourcing and dropshipping process. By understanding the differences between these two platforms, you can make an informed decision and set your online business up for success. So, which platform is right for you? Are you ready to start building your online store? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.